Alright, so the next step, we will be installing the Woocommerce plugin. So what is Woocommerce? It's a e-commerce plugin to accept payments and sell products on your website. So we are going to use Woocommerce and then install an additional plugin to sync data from Woocommerce and WordPress into Salesforce. So let's go ahead and do just that. So I'm going to add a new plugin. Basically, I'm going to search for Woocommerce. And we are going to install this guy now. 5 million active installations. So we are going to install Woocommerce. That's pretty quick. Activate Woocommerce. Okay, so this is how it looks like after Woocommerce is installed. So this is the My Account page where people can log in and register. So after they log in, after they register, they can log in. And after they're logged in, we can add the functionalities to start adding QR codes onto their account and start using them. So to do that, I'm going to install another plugin by CRM Perks for WooCommerce to Salesforce integration, so that every time a person registers on WordPress or WooCommerce, it will go to Salesforce immediately. Then they can start creating their QR code right away. So this would save a lot of time than coding the synchronization of everything by hand. We are just going to focus on the functionality of editing QR codes, but the synchronization of purchases, products, everything, we'll use the existing plugin for WooCommerce integration from CRM Perks. So I'm going to close this ahead for now, and we're going to try it out in a bit. There we have it. By CRM Perks. They're actively updating that, and I want to install this now. Okay, so we want to add a Salesforce account. And let's log into Salesforce. I'm going to say this IQR to environment production API. Let's log in with Salesforce. Sure. Allow. Okay, authorized. We can test the connection. Looking good. Use own Salesforce app. We can do this later when we are going to go live and start selling stuff. But for now, we're just still development. So that's that. Now I'm going to create new feeds. So I'm going to close this guy, close this guy, close this guy. Okay, we are going to add our first Salesforce feed there. And I'm going to title it create account. All right. Select Salesforce account. This is the connected one. And I would want to create an account. I would want to create the account name. I want it to be unique for the email address, so it's a standard field. I want it to be the email address there. and the rest let's keep the same: street, province, postal code, country, street, city, and so on. Send order to Salesforce when user submits the order. Select primary key, account name, which is the email address. Do not update entry if already exists. Yeah. Do not create new entry in Salesforce. I'm just gonna keep everything as is for now and just want to try this creation. So I'm gonna publish this one. Okay, so that's created, and I'm gonna go back to my settings and rename that from account 1 to iqr.to. So this looks ugly. I'm going to well, you can't create it, can you? You can't edit it there. I'm going to save changes. Okay. Now, if I go to products here, we should have products here. Add new product. QR. Okay, we can just do it like so. It's just a free account. It's just free. All right, and I'm just gonna publish this guy. All right, so we have one product. So I'm gonna switch to my incognito window, which is gone. And let's go to shop there. There, IQR free account. So this is a test. And look at this. This is also mobile friendly. That's the cool thing I like with Woocommerce. See, this is like, for example, through your phone. It's mobile friendly already, right? So let's flip back to like that. And we are just going to check out. Okay. We're going to create a fake new account. Let's name this Jane Doe and just put something Canada 1 2 3 fake street here. Jane Doe, like so. I'm just gonna create some random password. Okay. Notes, just leave that as it is. Now we are going to post it. Place the order. And this will also post it to Salesforce right away. So we have order number 21, Jane Doe at zone.io, blah, blah, blah. And if we flip back to our Salesforce, and log into our instance over here, we should have a new account for Jane Doe. There it is. Awesomeness, right? There. So now, when we log in as Jane Doe, we want to add some functionality so that Jane Doe, once logged in, they will have a menu here, My IQR or something like that, and then we can embed those functionality within here, and it will also be mobile friendly. Okay, like that. So they can keep adding QR codes. So that would be on the next video. So pretty cool integration, right, between Salesforce, Woocommerce, and our QR application. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.